Think so, man.
We were invited by Tembi from Menlyn Dorys to join them in teaching us on how to make sushi. I must say there aren't many places that are so women empowered and motivated at the same time.
Thank you for joining us.
Oh, it's always good to be here, Elizabeth. Thank you.
Also to know that it's halal friendly, and when we asked why others are so motivated, they told us because they've got tons of incentives running for the staff and daily specials for customers to target all niches.
And the bomb as a starter. They are drizzled with yakitori sauce. Enjoy. This is a lover's platter with 14 prawns. Everything is grilled. Your fish is grilled, calamari is grilled. Goes with lemon butter and tartar sauce with half chips and half rice. And these are the scampi prawns. They are dipped into tempura.
All in all, we were highly impressed and will definitely come back soon.